Hi guys, my name is Shupe. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for love and support you guys have showed me. Guys, today I'm coming to you with an eyeshadow tutorial. It's a highly requested video that you guys have been asking me to do. I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Before I do get into the video, I'm going to ask you to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to click the ring button, and also please leave a comment, because this is how I find out if you guys do like this looks or not, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna jump into the video and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey, yeah, I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Hey guys, so I went off camera to do my eyebrows. If you want to follow my eyebrow tutorial, I'm going to leave the link below for that. Today I'll be using my Morphe M35 Boss Mode eyeshadow, and I'll be predominantly using the reds on the side for my nice winter eyeshadow look. So the first thing you want to do in order to get a very crisp eyeshadow kind of canvas is you want to be able to prep your eyelids. What I do is I use my LA Pro concealer in the color orange to achieve a blank canvas. Okay guys, so after you've primed your eyelids, you're gonna take a little brush. So I'll be using an accent brush from Technics, and the reason I do this is because personally I have hooded eyes, and so what I'm gonna do is, in order to get my desired kind of effect in my crease, because I do start with my crease, is I'm going to use a small brush that's able to get in that crease zone, and then I'm going to take another just ordinary brush, and then I'm just going to be able to blend that. So the first color I'm going to pick up is that kind of dark color over here. I'm then gonna go in with my bigger brush and start to blend. Okay guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the color black also in the crease, but I'm just gonna pack it in the corners just to make sure that my kind of darker maroon color is kind of getting deeper. I'm going to take the little same brush that I initially used, and I'm going to pack just a little bit, and I'm just going to tap it in the corner over here. And I do this because I kind of like how black intensifies dark colors. Okay guys, so what's happening now is, if you check, that black has kind of made my crease kind of a bit more defined, and also it's just made my maroon more kind of darker and also earthy-ish, which we want it to look more burnt maroon than anything. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go and pick up I'm gonna pick up that orange over there just to put on the top there and blend the maroon, just to give myself a hoo-ha effect. I'm gonna pick up the orange with the same brush I was using, and I'm just gonna pat that orange up there on the corner. I'm going to take a clean brush and just make sure that my product is evenly blended. Okay guys, so this is what my eyeshadow looks like after blending it with that kind of like clean brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut a crease. I've seen people cut a crease a million times and I've been like, how did they do that? Personally, I don't have a steady hand, but this trick like helps you achieve like the best cut crease. Like, I don't care who it is, how long you've been doing cut creases for, if you do this technique, you're like going to be a bomb at it. So let me show you guys what I use. I discovered this maybe like a month ago and I've been doing it off of camera, but I really haven't been doing it on YouTube. Is I use Vaseline. So I use not the actual Vaseline, but this like clear Vaseline, and I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush, clean eyebrow brush. You want it to be as thin as possible because you don't want a thick eyebrow brush because you can make mistakes. So what you do is you take the Vaseline, put it on the eyebrow brush, and you pretty much draw where you want your cut crease to be. You're then going to clean up your eyelid using a Q-tip or an earbud, and that just works proper because it's precise. You're then going to use the same product you use for your eyelid to just prime that area where the Vaseline was, making sure that the next eyeshadow has a firm place to be. So this is what it looks like, my cut crease. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that color that kind of looks like a red, kind of like that color, and I'm gonna pack that in that area. I'm gonna grab an accent brush, another tiny winky brush, because I want to pack that carefully as well. Any, mini, miny, mo. I'm gonna start with this eye. I'm just gonna pack that into that crease. Oh, I feel like I need a brighter color. Okay, I'm gonna go with the red. I'm gonna jump over. I thought that was gonna be deep enough of a color to kind of like not show up. So I'm gonna go to my James Charles palette and I'm gonna use that red over there. Be good to me. Be good to me. I just want to go across that line. I'm going to go ahead and cut another line for my eyeliner portion of my eyelid. I want to make sure that that red comes completely off, so I'm using the Vaseline method again and making sure that my eyeliner is completely snatched. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D liner. This is the... I've never even used this ever. It's just a waterproof eyeliner. Okay, and... Oh! Again, God, take thy will. And I'm just gonna draw it where we cleaned the like crease. I wanna be ever so gently. This is gonna be something to die for. First time wearing eyeliner ever. Okay guys, at this stage I decided to pick up my black eyeshadow and use that as my eyeliner as it's more steady. So yeah, that's my new hack, I guess. Okay guys, so this is what my eyeshadow kind of like eyeliner looks like. I feel like I did a boo-boo on this side, but it's working with it. Just to be extra, I'm gonna put some glitter in here. I'm gonna put some raspberry glitter in here. Okay guys, so I went off camera to wear lashes, and as usual they're so dramatic. Damn, these are long. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about this. This is what my look looks like towards the end. I'm gonna go ahead and wear the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna start with my Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the color Orange. I'm then going to use a concealer the same color as me for extra coverage. I'll go ahead and use my liquid highlight from Maybelline. I'm then going to be using my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I'm going to use my Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the color Yellow to highlight underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and also on my chin, and to make a contour on my nose. I'm gonna use my True Complexion contour for my face to make sure that I create shadows. I'm then going to use my Sacha Buttercup powder to settle all my highlight on my face. I'm going to be using my LA Pro concealer in the color Cocoa to just settle my contour. I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Blush to get some color into my face and just make me look like a total doll. My lipstick, I'll be using MAC. And then I'll be finishing off with some setting spray to keep that makeup in place. Okay guys, so this is my final look for my eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this look, or creating this look rather. I hope you guys will use that eyeliner hack that I ended up finding. Like, the struggle is real, guys. I hope this holds you for another week, gives you the heat that you're trying to get because it's cold. Another thing, guys, I just want to say, please stay safe. I hear that there's corona cases going on the up because people are being very like careless, and they're thinking like corona is actually over because lockdown is being like kind of relaxed. So please be safe. Just like be careful, wear your mask, sanitizer, stay home. I'll see you guys next week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.